people, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for always coming to watch my videos. In case it is your very first time here, you are welcome. I'm Ayukodi from Kenya and kindly consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly, my people, take me there. So today I'm really super excited. How I wish you would have already known what I have in store for you today. I'm quite sure you'll be super excited too, So let me just begin by posting to you a question. Like, which is that favorite meal you normally prepare for the visitors in your community? Each and every community have their different way of welcoming the guests. So let me get to know at the comment section which is that favorite meal you normally prepare to them. Let me give you 3 seconds. That is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's over. So here in Kenya we have different communities and we are so many. We have the coastal region people, the Rift Valley people, the Mount Kenya people, the Nyanza people. I mean, you are so many, and each and every community have their way of welcoming the visitors. Like I think Nyanza people, they cook fish. The Mount Kenya region people, I can't really remember, but remind me at the comment section. Those community that I have mentioned to you. Let me get to know what are the other food they cook to the visitors. So today I'm going to take you through that. I mean, I want to show you how we normally prepare that special meal. What do you think is that food we normally cook to our visitors? Tell me at the comment section. I want to know if you can guess right. Anyway, you are always right. You people are my bosses and I love you so much. So in my community, we normally prepare chicken. We really treasure chicken and we normally cook it to crown, the culture, the the special culture of ours. So today I'm going to take you through the cooking of chicken just from the scratch now to the final product. No chemicals, no nothing. It's just traditional way of preparing the chicken. I believe you're gonna enjoy. So for the time being, give this video a thumbs up. Never forget to leave a nice comment down there. Let me get to know where you are watching from, and share these videos to your friends as much as you can. Let's make our family big and big and big. So let's go and do it. So my people, let's start first by splitting the firewood into small pieces and boil the hot water in the fireplace. This tool which I'm using is called axe, and the main reason why I'm splitting the firewood into small pieces is to avoid smoke during the lit of fire. So guys, because it is a traditional way of cooking the chicken, I won't use a lot of ingredients. As you can see, I only have well-ripe nyanya, the tomato sauce, and the onions. So because the traditional way, we're not going to use the hoho, the ginger, the garlic. No, that's one I'm omitting. So I'll first start by washing the nyanyas and preparing the onions too. So guys, yeah, stay tuned. So I'll first remove this. So I'm removing this cover because actually you cannot cook with it, it is dry. So you have to remove that one. Then I come wash. Ensure that it's well washed. Yeah. Then I cut maybe into 2 pieces or 4 pieces. Now because for the beauty you can just cut in the middle and you start cutting it into small pieces. So this is what I'm doing. You see? So this is how I cut. And if you have another way of cutting these onions, you can tell us there at the comment section. So this is how I'm doing it. If you have another way, kindly show us. But I've preferred this way. Yes. Yeah. So I'm done with that one. In our community, there was a people. Some of them don't like that aroma of chicken or that aroma of any other meat. So you have to use the munyu. Yeah, I don't know in English what we call, but in our local dialect, that is the munyu. But I'm not going to use it because it killed the taste. And you people, I know you want something nice. Yeah. So we are done with the ingredients. Let's do the next thing. Yes. This is my brother is helping me to entice the chicken. You know, we had released them early in the morning, and for us to gather them, we have to entice them with either ugali or maize and produce that sound which you've already heard my brother producing, so that you can capture one. Now let us dispatch the chicken and dip it into hot water. So my beautiful people, this is the hot water which we were preparing earlier. This is the hot water. You can come and show them the hot water. So, and this now is our kitchen. I'm going to dip it directly into the hot water, guys. This is going to help us. This is going to aid the removal of these feathers. So we have to dip it inside. Yeah. I'll start by removing the hard feathers that is on the wings, on the back, and then the scales over here. Yeah. So, by the way, here in our community, we don't throw these legs. We cook it. If you do throw it, manze, you'll mess with that bone. So let me do it faster. Guys, this is the scale which I was telling you. This is how you need to find. You have to remove these scales. You remove these scales, guys. You don't cook with it. Some of people forget removing these scales and they end up cooking with it, and that's so bad. I hope at the end of the day you're going to learn something from this video, from this show. So my people, let's roast the chicken for a few minutes here on a wire mesh. Now to remove the tiny feathers that cannot be removed by the use of hands. Wow, let us now cut the whole chicken into pieces, and I will begin by removing this stomach part of the chicken. So guys, we are going to remove the internal parts of this chicken. Others prefer like cutting this way, and others prefer using this other side. As for me, I was taught to use this side. So I'm going to teach you how I was taught. Yeah. If you have other views, you can tell us in the comment section your other opinions. So I'll do like this. Better. And you have to be careful. There's that thing which we call pancreas. Yeah. If you mess with it, it's going to mess with the whole meal. So, not yet. That way. No, no. So you have to be careful, guys. So once I'm done, this is how I'm going to do it. You see? This is how I was taught. Yeah. If you have the other way which you are taught, tell us, guys. Tell us. Feel free to tell us. Yeah. So I'll remove from the back. These are the small intestine for chicken. Yeah. This is how I'm going to do it. So this is that green part. You have to be very careful. This is the thing that if you mess with it, guys, just forget about it. This is the liver. This is the gizzard. Yeah. In our culture, this is meant for the head of the house, the father. So as kids or whatever, you don't have to eat this. This is basically for fathers. the head of the family. Yeah. So this is how I'm going to do it. So where is that? Yeah. So I'll cut from this side. Yeah, that way. You see, I'm trying to be very careful not to mess with the green part. You see, that way. So let me show you how to prepare these gizzards. Yeah, in our local dialect we call it imondo, but in English we call it the gizzards. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll cut it here like this. You see, this is how you have to do it. Guys, I hope you're seeing it clearly. That's the dirt, so you have to remove like that. So you mwaga that uchafu there. Then there is this scale over here. You don't have to cook with it, so you also come and remove it. Let me show you how we do it. Where can I start? Let me look for a better place to start. Maybe first. So let me try. Yeah, you have to have good nails and ensure that they are clean, you know. They will help you here very nicely. See, though I'm struggling because my nails are short. Yeah, this is how we do it. This is how we go. You see? Very nice. You see? Yes. Oui. Yeah, this is how we do it. Now that you have washed the pieces, let us now cook it. And that marks the end of our video today, and kindly consider subscribing if you have not yet subscribed. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Meet you in the next video, my people. Bye bye.